Here's a fun and simple VeggieTales style retelling of the birth of Jesus for kids. The birth of Jesus, a veggie story. In the small town of Nazareth, there lived a kind and gentle cucumber named Mary. One day, a bright and shining tomato, Gabriel the angel, appeared to her. Mary, God has chosen you for something very special. You will have a baby, and his name will be Jesus. He will be the Son of God. Mary was surprised but trusted God's plan. She and her husband, Joseph the carrot, had to travel to Bethlehem for a big event. When they arrived, the town was so crowded that all the inns were full. "I'm sorry, but there's no room, but you can stay in the stable with the animals." That night, in a cozy little stable, baby Jesus was born. Mary wrapped him in soft cloth and laid him in a manger. The animals, a sheep, a cow, and a friendly donkey, gathered around to see the special baby. Meanwhile, in a field nearby, some shepherds, played by broccoli shepherds, were watching their sheep when suddenly a group of glowing angel veggies appeared in the sky. Angels, glowing corn and peas. Good news! A savior has been born in Bethlehem. Go and see him. The shepherds rushed soon after. 3 wise veggies followed a bright star to bring gifts to baby Jesus. Wise veggie number 1, I bring gold for the king. Wise veggie number 2, I bring frankincense for the Son of God. Wise veggie 3, and I bring myrrh for the Savior. Everyone rejoiced, knowing that Jesus had come to bring love and hope to the world. And so, in the little stable of Bethlehem, the greatest story ever told began.